Hello everyone. So today I will explain very interesting topic in in JS, like in this keyword. So I will explain this keyword in JS. This keyword with definitions also and with quoting example. So in JavaScript, this keyword refers to the object that is currently executing a function. Whose value depends on how the function is called. So in JavaScript, this keyword refers to the object that is currently executing the function. Its value depends on how the function is called. Function is called. Okay. So that is this keyword. This keyword is refers to an object that is currently executing function. Its value depends on I mistake in like depends spelling depends on how the function is called. So in a method, I will explain like object context in online compiler, online JS compiler. Yeah. So let's suppose const user and then name alias. Object. If you don't know, so please comment it down. I will create a separate video on object. Alias object always take like key value pair. Here like name, we can say like Ria and greet and then console dot log hello and then these dot name. So we will access the name value this dot name using this keyword and I will call the function user dot greet. Okay. So if I will run, so I will get output hello Ria. See hello Ria. It will not give in any space, so I will give space here. See, it will give a space. See, it will take a space. Hello Ria. So inside create method, these refer to the user object. These they refer user object. Okay. So now I will explain in a function in global context. It is object context. Now I will explain with in a function with global context. Function show and then console.log console.log this and then show. See if I will run, so what will happen? See, it is given output for reference one object global is circular cleared immediate function. It is giving like that. Okay. So if in browser it locks window. If we will do in browser, see, it will give window. I will show you in my inspect, so you will better understood. Where is sources and then new snippet. See, if I will enter, see, it is giving window. Okay. In browser, it locks window. In strict mode, it is undefined. Okay. In strict mode, it will give undefined. So, in non-strict mode, this refers to the global object and window in browser. In strict mode, remember this line. It is very important. For if in non-strict mode, these refer to the global object and in window in browser. Where we got window in browser only. Okay. So that's a very important point for remember for interview purpose also. Okay. And I will explain with arrow function. You know arrow function? If you don't know, so you can comment. I will explain arrow function also in separate video. In like const person and then object. Let's say name Ria and then let's suppose greet and then arrow function and console dot log. Let's hi again space this dot name and then we call this function person 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 dot greet. I want greet. Call this greet function person dot greet. If I will run this function, so it will be undefined. Hello undefined. Yeah. Person it is giving error for person. Syntax error. Let's suppose let oh sorry, I mistake here. Yeah. It is object, so we need to give comma. Remember these things. And then greet it is also giving key value pair. See, high undefined. Okay. Why it is because arrow function don't bind their own base. Okay, and they inherit it from the enclosing scope, which is not person here. Okay, that's why it is giving high undefined. Now I will tell about you summary of this. Like in that, if I will talk about context and these refer to. In that context, method in object, these refer to that object. Okay, and then if I talk about in context in standalone function, it is refers to global object or undefined. And in arrow function in lexical outer this, and then it is also used. We can use for event listener the element that is triggered. Okay, so that's how we can use for this keyword. And also if you will do in like in Node.js, it logs simply console.log this. It is a global object. It is showing globally. Okay. And also we can use with call, apply and bind, which I already explained in my previous video. Call, apply and bind. You can go and watch. And it is explicitly set object. It is giving. So that's all about this keyword. If you have any doubts, so you can comment down. So that's all about this keyword. If you like this video, please share and subscribe. Thank you.